guys, what's up? It's me, Ada. Welcome back to my channel. So today this video is all about hard water mineral deposit buildup and chlorine from swimming pool buildup. So I'm doing this video today because I experienced really dry, hard, brittle hair from the chlorine buildup when I went swimming. And so I really thought that I could do a video on this because I learned so much during my hair recovery process, and also kind of bring in hard water mineral deposit buildup because it kind of aligns so well with chlorine. So what exactly is hard water? Hard water is basically water that has a high content of mineral deposits like copper, iron, magnesium. So depending on where exactly you live, you may actually experience hard water. You can see some like white residue basically building up like in your sink or your bathtub, and you can kind of see that's like the mineral deposit buildup. And also you can actually feel the effects on your hair. Sometimes what happens is the mineral deposit will build up on your hair so much that regular shampoo will not be able to remove it, and your hair is going to feel really dry and stiff because you're not able to actually absorb the moisture into your hair. Also, your curls might look really lifeless, your hair feels really weighed down, and your hair products are just not working the same way as it usually do. You're going to need certain ingredients in your cleanser to remove the mineral deposit buildup. So there are ways for you to figure out if you do have hard water. You can basically do like a hard water test. There's a couple strips that you can order online, or you can even contact like a local water supply company and they'll be able to also do a water test. You can also maybe research it, Google it to see if you can find out if your area actually has hard water. So let's talk about the solutions of hard water. What do we do when we have hard water? How do we remove it? How do we prevent our hair from getting mineral deposit buildup so that we have healthy, moisturized hair? One of the best ways, or probably the more expensive ways, is for you to actually install a home water softening system, and you'll be able to change your water from hard to soft water. But of course, there are also some other alternatives that you can do that are more cost effective, like using a shower filter. So you want to do your research and make sure to get like a really good shower filter that's able to at least minimize the mineral deposit buildup on your hair. But then also investing in a chelating shampoo, which is actually specifically formulated to remove mineral deposit buildup. They have certain ingredients in there. A really common one is EDTA. It removes all your natural oils, all the product buildup, oil, dirt, as well as any mineral deposit buildup. So I basically call it like a hard water shampoo or chelating shampoo. Some clarifying shampoos also have certain ingredients that you can be able to remove the hard water mineral deposit buildup on your hair, but you want to make sure that they have the right active ingredients in there. And so it's kind of just easier to go for a shampoo that specifically states what exactly it does. And another option is to actually use like a bentonite clay mask or a salt clay mask to remove any mineral deposit buildup. And that's kind of what I usually use, and it's actually really good at removing everything. So I tried the bentonite clay mask. I felt like it really did help to remove most of the mineral deposit buildup, but unfortunately it wasn't able to remove all my chlorine buildup. And so I felt like maybe if I continued to use the bentonite clay mask, maybe it would have eventually worked out for me, but I really just wanted to just get something that will for sure remove it right away, and I just didn't want to wait any longer because my hair was super dry for so long. So I definitely would suggest you try using a clay mask first because it's not as stripping, of course, as like a chelating shampoo. And then you can also go ahead and try like an apple cider vinegar rinse. For me, I don't really find that it works for me, and my hair doesn't really like apple cider vinegar, to be honest, but you can definitely go ahead and try that out. I've read actually a lot of really good reviews on that. The last option is to use distilled water. So distilled water is free of any minerals, and so I know it's not actually practical to buy distilled water to wash your hair every single time, but some people actually do that. And so that I just kind of threw that in just for an option. And just to quickly clarify, a chelating shampoo is different to a clarifying shampoo, where a clarifying shampoo will strip all the product buildup that you get from hair products, and also like your natural oils and dirt and all that kind of stuff. And a chelating shampoo will do all of that plus take away mineral deposit buildup. Okay, so let's go on to chlorine in swimming pools. And so I'm gonna quickly show you guys a picture of the pool that I was at. So I wanna let you guys know that it was a really good time and I had so much fun. The chlorine buildup was just so bad that not only was it really building up on my hair and making my hair feel really dry and hard, it also built up on my scalp too. So even though I was using a really good shampoo and I was really massaging my scalp trying to cleanse everything away, I still had a whole bunch of like white residue on my scalp, and it didn't matter how long I deep conditioned my hair for, my hair just felt so hard and dry. So first things first is that protect your hair before you go into the chlorine water. And so a couple things I read is rinse your hair with non-chlorinated water so that basically when you apply like a silicone conditioner or an oil to protect your strands, it's able to actually absorb into your hair strands a lot better, so it's a better protection from the chlorine in the water. And then you want to go ahead and put it in some sort of protective style like twists or like a really tight bun or anything like that. Or better yet, you can even wear a swimming cap, and that's gonna fully cover and protect your hair from the water. So after you finish swimming, you're supposed to immediately rinse out your hair with non-chlorinated water. I was so tired after I went swimming. I was there for about 6 hours, and I just couldn't, I just passed out. And so that was the biggest mistake ever, because my hair was so dry the next day. And then of course, another option is to just not swim in swimming pools that have chlorine in it. A lot of pools have salt water, and so my hair is perfectly fine when I swim in a pool that just has salt water. So there actually are some shampoos that are formulated just for swimmers. I bought like a shampoo that kind of removes both mineral deposits from hard water and chlorine, just to be able to remove everything from my hair. So that's exactly what I would do next time. Make sure that I protect my hair from swimming, and then go ahead and actually use a specifically formulated shampoo to remove all the buildup from my hair. And to be honest, like I don't really want to use these shampoos too often because they are very stripping. So I'm gonna actually list all the popular shampoos that I have researched in the description box below. This is the shampoo that I use, and this is the Ion Solutions Hard Water Shampoo. Amazing shampoo, and I also talked about this in my last video when I was pre-pooing my hair in preparation for this shampoo, and it actually wasn't as stripping as I thought it would be. This shampoo I would definitely recommend to people, and it's very affordable, and I got mine at Sally's. But I'm gonna still go ahead and use my clay mask because I really do like that one, and I do feel like it's better for like kinky curly hair especially. This is still really good to have in your regimen if your clay mask is just not working out for you and you want like a really good cleanse. Like I do feel that once in a while it is good to kind of throw in a really good cleanser in your regimen just to kind of reset your hair and just kind of have a fresh start. And after you use a really cleansing shampoo like this, your hair may not be moisturized like right away. Like it might take a few weeks for your hair to get its moisture back, but it will come back, and I feel like it's totally normal for that to happen. That is it, you guys, and I do have a more specific video on how to clarify your hair and when you'll need to clarify your hair. So I'm gonna actually put that in the description box below as well. And let me know what you guys do when you guys have mineral deposit buildup on your hair. How do you guys deal with hard water? And also, how do you guys deal with chlorine? Do you guys swim in chlorine pools? And how does your hair feel after that? So anyways, I hope this video was helpful. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and share if you guys love my videos and you guys want to see more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Of course, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.